Good morning, students. Now, today we are going to discuss the new chapter, that is the third chapter, sound. What is sound? Sound is a form of energy which enables us the sensation of hearing. Sound is a form of energy which enables us the sensation of hearing. What is sound? So sound is a form of energy, and due to the vibration of object, it produces sound. So all the vibrating objects that produces sound. We can show the one example here. Suppose here, all of you see here, this is a one rubber strings. When you jerk it, then it produces sound. Suppose here, this is the string. All of you see here, when you jerk, then due to the vibration, it produces sound. But as we hold it, it does not produce a sound. Another example, you take this ruler and place one end of this ruler over the table like that. The first end is which is fixed with the left hand, and when you jerk on the free end, then it also produces sound. So due to the vibration of this ruler, it produces sound, but as we hold it, it stops producing sound. So here, the vibrating objects that produces sound. Another example, when we say something, all we see here, this is our vocal cord. Due to the vibration of this vocal cord in the throat, it produces sound. So all the vibrating objects, all the vibrating objects produce sound. Now, what are the different methods to produce the sound? Different methods to produce sound. So there are various methods to produce sound. All of you know about in tabla, dholak. So different methods to produce sound. First one is by vibrating membranes. In tabla. Second is by vibrating strings in sitar, guitar, veena, like that. Third, by vibrating air, that is, as for example in flute, and in physics laboratory, by vibrating tuning fork. Another is by vibrating vocal cord in our throat. So these are the different methods to produce sound. All we see the first by vibrating membranes, all the dholak, tablas, there is a stressed membrane of the dry skin of the animals. When you apply the some pressure, then it starts to vibrate and then it produces sound. Just like in string, guitar, sitar, when we jerk the string of a guitar, sitar, violin, then it also produces sound. Third is vibrating air. In flute, sahnai, trumpet, these are the examples in which due to the vibration of the air molecules, it produces different notes of sound. Third is the tuning fork. The shape of the tuning fork, it is used in the physics lab. This is the tuning fork. When you vibrating these legs of the tuning fork, then it produces sound. This is the suppose this is a rubber pad. When you strike the two legs over the rubber pad, then it start to vibrate like that, left and right. And due to the vibration of this prong, it produces sound. So you can show it in your physics laboratory. Due to the vibration of tuning fork, it also produces sound. Okay, so thank you all.